Assalamualaikum, this is Mr. TECHFOX, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge on your macOS device. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Safari browser. So I'm gonna open it. So here it is. Now, normally you have to type on the address bar www.microsoft.com/edge. So I'm gonna do that. Once you are on the page, you will see a download button for macOS. Normally, click on it. And then click on this accept and download button again. Click on this allow button. And here is the file. And now you can see that the file has been downloaded. Now, normally double click on it. And then you will see a pop-up window like this. Normally, hold this icon and drag it into the Applications folder to install Microsoft Edge on your MacBook. And that's it. Now we have to check if the file is installed or not. Here you can see that our browser has been installed on our macOS system. So if I click on it to open it, and then normally you have to click on this open button since you have downloaded it from the internet. And finally, you will see your desired browser window. Click on this Start Microsoft Edge. And from here, they will ask you to set it as default or not. I'm just keeping Google Chrome as default. And start without data. Confirm and continue. Escape. Finish. I accept. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Microsoft Edge on your macOS system. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.